Hello, my name is Jordan. I am a tufted titmouse.
Why did she name you Jordan?
Probably because she needed a name that would suit both a male and a female, since you can't tell the difference between male and female titmouse.
That's true. Another truth is that I'm probably gonna die soon, since titmouse only live about 2 years.
Hey, Mr. Titmouse, I'll dig the holes for you in the tree so you can put your nest in there. We will save the insects for you since we don't like them anyways, especially caterpillars and wasps and bees and spiders, and the tufted titmouse like those. They can have them. We'll also save them some sunflowers since we know that they love those too.
I don't think so. The European starlings aren't gonna save you nothing. We're gonna eat it all ourselves, and we hope that the crow and the owls and the hawks and the blue jays come and get ya. It's more food for us.
Those eastern starlings are so mean. I better watch out. I'm looking for them. Hope they're not around here when I say this. Did you know that the tufted titmouse can hang upside down while searching under branches for insects? Kinda reminds me of myself when I'm eating my food. I can hang upside down too.
They can join our flock anytime in the winter. We know that they like to be alone when they're in their mating season, but they can join us now.
Thank you so much. We appreciate that.
He's got a seed. It appears that he puts it between his feet and then pecks on it, maybe tries to open it from while his feet are holding on to the seed. I don't know. What do you think?
I dropped it.
Hey, why don't you go back to the woods and shade trees and orchards and city parks where you prefer to be instead of taking our food here? And you know, they will defend their territory from other tufted titmouse, just like we starlings will defend our territory from other starlings.
I'm back, and I'm watching over the tufted titmouse today. Brrr, it's cold at my feet. The tufted titmouse's short bills can break open nuts. They better not have gotten into my nuts. I better make sure it's still here. Where is it? Where is it? What did I do with it? What did I do with it? They will store seeds in trees or under things on the ground. Think I can find it? Wonder where it is. Where is it? Where'd they put it? Where'd they put it? Did you find it? Where is it? Heh, got mine. Don't know where yours is. Get out of my way. I'll find it. Ugh, that's not it. I'm keeping watch for those tufted titmouse. You know, they use hair to line their nest. They will pull my hair out while I'm sitting right here. I'm watching out for you guys. You're not gonna get me. I got it.
Hello, Jordan. You're pretty energetic and active and looking pretty confident today.
Brr!
Yum. This snow tastes good. Nice and cool inside my belly. You won't see tufted titmouses after sundown. Bet you they're up to no good. Brr. Hey, Mr. Squirrel. Did a tufted titmouse get your cold of your tail? Probably were looking for some hair for their nest. Looks like they got ya.
The tufted titmouse can be trained to eat from a human's hands. They will come when they're called for because they recognize human voices. If you imitate their song and call to them, they will come to you and eat out of your hand.
They usually have between 5 and 6 eggs that hatch around the 13th day. The father will bring the food to the babies. The babies will move out after 15 or 16 days. However, one of them will come back to the area and help to raise the next babies.
I'm more handsome than they are.
Ha! I don't think so. I'm prettier than you.
Oh, can't we all just get along together peacefully?
I'm glad I'm up here and not down on the ground.
The oldest known titmouse lived to be 13 years. That's like living to be Methuselah in our days.
I'm watching out for you. I'll scare that varmint away. Thanks, Mr. Squirrel. We appreciate it. That's all for today. See you next time.